Your home's exterior is the first thing neighbors, visitors, and potential buyers notice. In Fleming Island, where beautiful neighborhoods and waterfront views are part of the community's charm, curb appeal matters more than ever. One of the simplest yet most impactful ways to elevate your home's exterior is by upgrading your windows. The right window styles not only brighten your interiors but also enhance your home's overall look from the outside. Let's explore the best window styles for boosting curb appeal in Fleming Island residences. Bay and bow windows. Elegant and expansive few window styles make a statement like bay or bow windows. These designs extend outward from your home, creating an eye-catching architectural feature. Bay windows consist of 3 panels, typically with a larger center pane and angled side panes. Bow windows use 4 or more panels to create a graceful, curved appearance. Both styles add depth to your home's exterior while creating a cozy nook inside. For Fleming Island homeowners, bay and bow windows pair beautifully with traditional and modern designs, making them a versatile choice. Picture windows. Modern and dramatic. If you want a sleek, contemporary look, picture windows are the way to go. These large, fixed panes maximize natural light and provide unobstructed views of Fleming Island's natural beauty. Curb appeal boost. Picture windows make your home look open, modern, and inviting. Best placement. Living rooms or dining rooms that face scenic views, such as waterfronts, gardens, or landscaped yards. Their clean lines and expansive glass create a focal point that enhances any home exterior. Double-hung windows. Classic and timeless for homeowners seeking a balance between function and curb appeal, double-hung windows are a perfect choice. With 2 operable sashes that slide vertically, they're versatile and easy to clean. Why they shine in Fleming Island. Double-hung windows complement a wide range of architectural styles, from coastal cottages to suburban estates. Curb appeal boost. Their symmetry and traditional look never go out of style. You can even customize them with decorative grids to match your home's character. Casement windows. Sleek and functional casement windows are hinged on one side and swing open like a door. Their simple frames and expansive glass panes allow for maximum light and ventilation. Curb appeal boost. Their streamlined design adds a modern touch while maintaining elegance. Best placement. Kitchens, bathrooms, or any space where airflow and light are priorities. For homes in Fleming Island's breezier areas, casement windows are also great for catching natural cross ventilation. Arched and specialty windows. Unique and eye-catching. If you want your home to truly stand out, consider adding arched or specialty-shaped windows. These non-traditional designs add a custom, high-end feel to your exterior. Examples. Half-moon windows above entryways, triangular windows in vaulted spaces, or custom geometric shapes. Curb appeal boost. Unique shapes immediately draw the eye and highlight architectural features. Specialty windows are perfect for Fleming Island homeowners looking to showcase individuality and elevate design. Sliding windows. Contemporary and practical sliding windows feature large panes that move horizontally along a track. Their wide frames provide great visibility and light while giving your home a clean, modern appearance. Curb appeal boost. Sleek, horizontal lines complement contemporary and coastal designs. Best placement. Bedrooms, hallways, or spaces where you want wide views without outward opening windows. Final thoughts for Fleming Island residences. Windows are more than just functional. They're a major contributor to your home's style and curb appeal. From the timeless elegance of double-hung windows to the modern drama of picture and sliding designs, there's a perfect option for every homeowner. Bay, bow, and specialty windows can even transform an ordinary facade into something extraordinary. By selecting the right window styles and pairing them with professional installation, you'll not only enjoy improved functionality inside your home but also make a lasting impression on everyone who sees it. In Fleming Island, where beauty and community pride are valued, upgrading your windows is one of the smartest investments you can make.